have not played with one of these boards yet, so I figured I would. I don't know how it's gonna go. So this is the winged board. I don't even know where we're supposed to put all the things. I feel like this is one of those designs though that we're gonna want the in-betweens and not just the holes. So I'm gonna go ahead and just assume I'm gonna need more mesh on here than the holes allow. Because why not? I don't know how many we're gonna need, but we're gonna do a butterfly with pink butterfly with black and white. So we're just gonna cut some and use some and see what happens. All right, so I'm gonna cut these into 10-inch squares. I got this. All right, so I just folded it, laid it out, went corner to corner to get this outside done. Okay, so if I want to get this black trim this way, I'm gonna want black in these two. I think I'm gonna do black in these two right here. All right. Y'all, I'm gonna change the petals up on this one because I wanna hide some of the fray on the other ones. But I kinda wanna double these up, I think. Y'all, and I don't even know if this is a real petal or if you're supposed to do it like this. But this is what we're doing. We're doing this thing. The only thing that I know is that Michelle told me I have to measure 1 finger behind the zip tie. That's the only rule I know. So y'all, all I did was fold in the 4 corners and then a little pinch about 1 inch down. To get whatever we're doing. I don't know. Y'all, we're just going with it. All right, y'all, now I want to get 1 more black petal in here. What do you think? Should we do pink here or another pink? Let's just go with the pink. Let's not try to be creative yet. So there's one right here in the center, and I'm gonna skip it for this current moment because it felt really congested. Yeah, you can buy these wing boards at Deco Exchange. All right. These are really puffy. Not really a fan, so let's hope it gets better, y'all. I'm gonna use some of this on the next row just to give it a little layer or different texture. How we use it, I don't really know. Should we do a whole different petal this time? All right, so we have a nice little layered texture look going on here. Who knows? So I'm gonna do the same petal that I did at the very top on this next row right here, because I wanna get that black trim along the sides. I feel like going with this pink. It's gonna be, well, maybe I'll do just one layer of this one. Then I'll come back with the hot pink, just to kind of give it a little bit of a lighter feel. Y'all, I'm gonna double these up so that we have quite a few of them, because why not? What kind of mesh am I using? I have a little bit of everything right here. Let's work on this side, and then we'll figure out what's gonna go in the middle. So all of our little squares were just cut in 10-inch pieces. I do know that some people have lots of little tricks with these. Like they put those little rubber bands to hold stuff in place. All right. This one we're just doing that wide angled. Y'all, the paint's still a little wet on these, so you're gonna just have to imagine it. But I made a butterfly somewhat body. It's not put together yet, but it'll go right in there. It's still really wet. So once I have that dry, put together, and attached, I would come back and just fluff this up so that it outlined the shape of my butterfly head.